Today I'm showing you how to get a little more life out of your 10-year-old RV awning using this stuff, flexseal. So the awning fell apart. We have here bits and pieces, so I cut them out somewhat, and now I have this open cloth here. And then what I'm trying to do is now to fix that with flexseal. So you can see over there, I already applied it over there. Apply it generously. Make sure that sometimes, there's a cavity underneath, so I'll stuff it in there and I'll put some extra on it, see, so that I put a little mountain here up, so it's over there. There's a little hole, so I patched that too. Just be generous with that stuff, tap and then make it smooth if you need to, but up here nobody will see anyways. And then we'll let it dry. The can says 24 to 48 hours, so we'll do that and then come back and see how it looks. So one day later, you can see here it's all dried up. It's actually real rubber, so that's pretty good. So I feel that I just gave my awning another few years of life, and I can repeat that process until it's